Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I am Ali Aurangzeb, and today we will discuss on the application softwares. As you know that in the last lectures we have discussed on the software and divisions of the software. So major there are two divisions of the softwares. One is the system software, another is application software. So we have discussed in the last lecture on system softwares as well as on operating systems and the utility programs. These are the objectives of this chapter. So basically, application softwares are the program that designed to make a users more productive and or assist them with personal tasks. So application softwares are increase uh, more productivity on a user hand, and application softwares like the word processing, spreadsheet, database, uh, presentation graphics, project management, document management, accounting based softwares, as well as the graphics and the multimedia softwares. We can use the computer design, desktop publishing, uh, image editing, and the home based softwares. We can use the entertainments, uh, photo editing softwares, image editing, and web browsers are also the communication softwares. And there are some of the utility programs where we can say that the file managers and the media players. So application softwares, in short, we can say that the app is one of the program or group of programs that are designed for the end users. Here, softwares are distributed. Uh, some softwares are the package softwares, custom softwares, web-based softwares, open source softwares, shareware software, freeware, public domain softwares. So these programs built to facilitate the certain type of the business functions that improving the accuracy and efficiency as well as effectiveness of operations. Most of the softwares we can use it for the business purpose, and business application softwares program achieve measurable objectives such as saving work time and enhancing the productivity. So package softwares are the mass produced, whereas the custom softwares that perform the functions specific to business or industries. In a business, we can use the like the one of the enterprise resource planning based softwares, and their softwares are used by the companies usually via a bundle of the integrated applications to solicit, review the store, or the manipulate and analyze the data derived from a variety of the business operations. Along with, we can use the customer relationship management that is used by the companies, where to solicit or review, store and analyze the customer data, and also to manage the customer interaction and facilitate the sales process and relevant partner relationship. Another, we can use the mostly the database for the business purposes. Database is one of the uh, the electronic arsenal of the data that user build in order to later access or review, where the user can update, modify, delete their data, or store the data in the form of the database container, and database must be the logical shared. Project management softwares, they are using for the scheduling, assigning the task, managing budgeting and costing and document process. also the business process management and as well as productivity softwares. So web-based softwares are used hosted by website. Also the open source softwares they are provided for the use, modification and redistributions. Shareware copyrighted software that is distributed free for trial based is you know that mostly we can download the software for the period of 30 days. So basically the type of the softwares are the sharewares and also the freewares. There's no any cost of that type of the softwares and freely available. And some, as you know, that some softwares are available on the license based. Another we have already discussed on the another software system softwares. We can install the system software from the desktop or the start menu bar. This is the window. Basically, this is one of the rectangular screen where some screen or the display with their data and information. So this is the one of the screen, and we can say that that screen is called the window. Uh, the major difference between the Windows and the Windows with the version, we can say that the platform or the operating system, and this is the one of the screen dialog box. It is a window that provides the information that presents available options or request and the response and the business softwares that assist the people in becoming the more effective and efficient. Uh, lot of the application software are used word processing, spreadsheet, databases, presentation graphics, note taking, personal information management, and their vendors or manufacturer are also given. The word processing where you can uh, create and manipulate the text and graphics. Also, a lot of the features are available, like the autocorrect, auto format, grammar check, columns, mail merge, tables, template, voice recognitions, macros. You can create with the shortcut keys, and you can also autocorrect the spelling, and also you can check the grammar. So these features are available in the software. The font consists on the font size and font style. Font size indicates the size of the characters in a particular font and a point. Spreadsheet where you can use the organize the data in the terms of the rows and columns and perform the formulas and the calculations. And also we can apply the different type of the functions when you want to work over the statistical data. So in a spreadsheet might be you can use the pie chart, graph, and chart database softwares. Database softwares are available in terms of the DBMS. Basically, database means the logical shared. So where you can add, create, X, or you can retrieve the data or manage the data. You can change the data. RDBMS basically we can say that the relational database it might be available in terms of the row and column, and that is called the table or matrix. A table contains records. A record is a row in a table that contains information about a given person, product, object, or event. So here we can extract the information from the database and we can extract the information from the database through the queries whenever we can trigger the queries, and that queries is responsible to retrieve the data. Also, we can use the presentation based softwares that is called the PowerPoint, and that used to create a visual aids for the presentations. A presentation is sometimes called a slideshow. Note taking softwares like the we can use the for diary purpose, where we can type the text or handwritten comments, drawing or sketches anywhere on the pages. Some type of the software are the personal information managers. Mostly the HR manager are used. They synchronize with the desktop computer or the employees handheld systems. This is a personal mobile device where you can use the business softwares. Software suite is one of the collection of individual programs sold on a single package, where we use the MS Office. It is one of the suite softwares, and that suite or the package. MS Office is available. MS Word is available. MS PowerPoint also we can use the MS Project Management. So that package we can say that the software suite package. And a project, any project, we can use the project management based softwares. They can allow to engineers or the project managers to plan or schedule, track and analyze the events, resources and cost of the project. We can use the PMP or project management based softwares. We can create the Gantt and PERT chart, performance evaluation review technique. So through the Gantt chart, we can uh, schedule the project time. We can set a timeline of the project, and we can estimate the cost of the project. So we can also use the scheduling algorithms and accounting softwares, where nowadays we can use the Peachtree, and a lot of the accounting software are available. Oracle also provide the financial transaction based softwares, as SAP also provide. So we can use the accounting softwares, document management software that provide a means for sharing, distributing and searching through the documents by converting them into a format that can be viewed by the user. Mostly the large organizations, they used the enterprise computing softwares, and they require the special computing solutions. uh, Graphics and multimedia softwares, we can use the CAD and CAM, computer designing and the manufacturing. Their type of the softwares are available, and mostly they uh, are used to create the engineering and architectural and scientific design. We can use for the mapping and drawings. Desktop publishing software that enable you to design and produce uh, sophisticated document that contain the text and graphics and many colors. The painting softwares are available in MS Paint available, also the Corel Draw available, professional photo editing available that allows the customize the digital photos, video and audio editing softwares are available. We can use the video editing software allows you to modify a segment of the video, that is one called the clip. We can convert the one of the segment or the clip of the video into the frames or the images. Also, we can edit the audio. The multimedia authoring softwares that allows you to combine text, graphics, audio, video, and animation in interactive applications. Web page authoring softwares that help the users for all skills levels to create a web pages. Some application software program, including the web page authoring programs like the video and audio. We can use the graphical images and animation that organize or maintain the different websites. Some softwares are available for the educational and personal use, and mostly the softwares are we can use in a medical purpose, like the Lisa are the softwares. We can use the Lisa for the medical purpose, and some computer assisted educations, or we can use the distance learning and the mobile learning based softwares. We can learn from their softwares, and some softwares are available for the communication purpose. Like the web browser is one of the software we can use the to access some of the URLs, and some voice or IP software chat rooms. We can uh, deliver. We are delivering the lectures over the Zoom and Skype and the WebEx. Also, these are the communication softwares, and we can use these type of the softwares like for the education purposes, and also mostly the bloggers can create the blogging based applications. Also, the third party software we can set the utility programs, like we can use the for the antiviruses program, personal files, spyware remover, internet filters to handle the file managers, PC maintenance, media players, and the web-based application that store your data and information at their site. There are different versions of the web-based softwares. Also, we can use the ASP or ASP.NET for the to create the web pages, and we can use the backend, the HTML languages nowadays. We can use the HTML5, and also we deploy the website over the IIS servers. The online-based softwares, online help that create the one of the user manuals electronically. We can it's one of the electronic manual, and user can get a help from the web-based help, and a website linked from online help that provide the updates and the more resources to respond to technical issues about a program. So web-based training, uh, a lot of the softwares are available that provide one of the self-directed or self-paced instructions, like earlier discussed these distance learning, the mobile learning, and self-learning. Also, they deliver the education at a remotely. So thank you very much. If you have any query, you may ask.